G'day guys, welcome to another product review by Bridge the Gap. Scott here, and today I just wanted to show you an unboxing of a RockFloss band by RockTape. This is a pretty cool little product, but as you can see, it comes in a really neat, tidy box. So if you chose to sell these in clinic, you know you're gonna have something that looks good on the shelf. These are used for increasing mobility by using compression, and it can also help regulate pain slightly by desensitizing. So that's quite cool. So I'll go through that at another time, but today let's just have a look at what we get in the box. You get your rock band, you get an instruction manual, and obviously you've got the box there. So if we bust this open, there you go. Your rock band comes nice and tied together by a nice elastic band. And I mean, it's got a nice print of RockTape on it, and obviously that's the flexible band there. And there's plenty of length there, as you can see. And then this is probably the thing I love most about RockTape products, is you do get a lovely instruction manual that not only does it tell you a little bit about the product you've just purchased and how you can sort of go about learning more about it, but also it gives you the instruction manual. So here, straight up, we've got a foot, we've got an ankle, we've got a shin, we've got a knee, and we've got a quad. So everything you need to know on how to use these things. When I'm using it with myself and clients, I always get them to do a bit of an open chain and then a closed chain movement and then a functional movement, which tends to get the best result. And then I obviously test again without the band on. But this is a fantastic little product. I highly recommend you guys treat yourselves and get something like this and try it on yourselves. It's made a big difference for my right ankle, which has an anterior impingement. The big thing I would say is get a hold of the rep, because you can get your business listed as a wholesale client, and you can receive things at a significant discount, and that'll make things a little bit more accessible. But a band like this is only about $20 to $25, so not that expensive at all, and obviously it's well and truly reusable in that factor. So great product, I love it, and I'm definitely going to follow up with a few how to use it sort of videos, so keep an eye out for those. And I can't wait to see you guys next time. See ya.